Joint civil organizations of Tousem subdivision have declared an indefinite total shutdown of National Highway 37 within the Tousem subdivision jurisdiction starting from midnight of September 24, 2024. The shutdown comes in response to the state government's failure to address the group's demand to relocate the SDO office, which is currently stationed in Tamenglong district headquarters, to Tousem subdivision headquarters. The shutdown is being spearheaded by various student groups, including the Zemi Students Organization Manipur, Tousem Area Students Organization, Chamram Sekmen Voice, and the Tousem Headquarters Students Union. According to a joint press note issued by these groups, government was served with a 30-day ultimatum regarding the issue. However, upon receiving no positive reaction from government's end, they were compelled to intensify the agitation. The groups warned to continue with their total shutdown until government fulfilled their demand of relocation of SDO office in Tousem subdivision.